Discover Checking Account Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how digital banking has evolved in 2024. Discover Checking promises no monthly fees, easy access and helpful tools, but is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming digital checking accounts are limited. Discover offers free access to over 60 zero ATMs nationwide, free online bill pay, and a user-friendly mobile app to track spending and manage money efficiently. One major advantage is rewards. You won't believe what happens next when you see Discover pays 1% cash back on up to $0 in debit card purchases each month. Automatic savings features and alerts help users stay on track with budgeting and financial goals. The account also includes strong security with two-factor authentication, fraud alerts, and zero liability protection for unauthorized transactions, making banking safer than ever. However, there are cons. Customer service may be limited outside of standard hours, and some features like mobile check deposits may have occasional delays. While ATMs are widely accessible, some remote areas may lack convenient locations. In conclusion, Discover Checking in 2024 is ideal for those seeking a no-fee, user-friendly checking account with rewards and helpful financial tools. While customer service hours and remote ATM access are minor considerations, the combination of cashback, easy money management, and security features makes it a strong choice for everyday banking.